The iRobot Roomba i3 Plus EVO 3550 is a self-emptying robot vacuum that is designed to make cleaning your floors easier and more convenient. Here are some key features of this product. Self-emptying base. The i3 Plus EVO comes with a clean base automatic dirt disposal that holds up to 60 days of dirt and debris. This means you won't have to empty the dustbin as frequently as with other robot vacuums. Powerful cleaning. The i3 Plus EVO uses a 3-stage cleaning system to clean your floors thoroughly. It has dual multi-surface rubber brushes that work together to clean both carpets and hard floors, and a high-efficiency filter captures 99% of pollen, dust mites, and other allergens. Smart navigation. This robot vacuum uses iAdapt navigation with VSLAM technology to navigate and clean your home. It can create maps of your home and use that information to clean efficiently and avoid obstacles. Voice control. The i3 Plus EVO can be controlled using voice commands through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. You can start, stop, or schedule cleanings with just your voice. Customizable cleaning. With the iRobot Home app, you can customize your cleaning preferences and schedules. You can also create cleaning zones and set up virtual barriers to keep the robot vacuum out of certain areas. Powerful cleaning, scheduled around your life. Roomba i3 Plus EVO takes care of dirt and messes with a premium 3-stage cleaning system and 10x the powerlifting suction, compared to Roomba 600 series runtime, 75 minutes. Clean by room, you're in control. Roomba i3 Plus EVO learns your home and creates an imprint smart map so you can direct it to clean any room you want, anytime you want, either on a set schedule or in the moment. Don't lift a finger for months. The clean base automatic dirt disposal allows the i3 Plus EVO to empty itself into an enclosed bag that captures 99% of particles as small as 0.7 microns and holds up to 60 days of cleanings. The Roomba i3 Plus is designed to work simply with the press of the clean button. Cleaning in tidy rows, cleans intelligently in straight lines back and forth, to thoroughly clean your floors while navigating around furniture. When the i3 Plus EVO needs to recharge, it will resume right where it left off, ensuring a complete clean. Focused cleaning. Patented dirt detect technology allows the Roomba i3 Plus EVO to detect dirtier areas of your home and clean them more thoroughly. Integrated sensors tell the robot where it can and can't fit, so it doesn't get stuck under furniture. Perfect for homes with pets. Instead of using a single bristle brush, Roomba i3 Plus EVO uses dual multi-surface rubber brushes that flex to adjust to different floor types and avoid getting tangled with pet hair. iRobot does not certify the quality or authenticity of products purchased from non-authorized resellers, and will not cover claims, provide service, or offer replacements for products purchased from these sellers. Stays one step ahead of the mess. The i3 Plus EVO learns your cleaning habits and can offer up suggestions, even suggesting extra cleanings during peak pollen or shedding season. Clean by voice. Start cleaning one room or every room with Google Assistant and Alexa. Works with Google Home and Alexa-enabled devices. Alexa and all related logos are trademarks of Amazon.com or its affiliates. Google is a trademark of Google LLC. Flexibility to clean around your busy life. The i3 Plus EVO can be set to automatically start cleaning when you leave and stop when you come home. And with cleaning time estimates, Roomba tells you how long each room takes to vacuum in the iRobot Home app. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please click the subscribe button, bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the products. Links.